Imagine a vast ocean, not of water but of brilliant yellow. This is not just any field, it's a canola field in full bloom, a sight that can take your breath away with its sheer beauty and expanse. This is the sight that greets you at a canola field in full bloom. The vibrant yellow flowers stretch out endlessly, creating a golden carpet that dances under the sun. The air hums with the sound of bees, drawn to the sweet nectar of millions upon millions of tiny yellow flowers. These industrious pollinators play a crucial role in the life cycle of the canola plant, ensuring that each flower has the chance to develop into a seed pod. Each flower holds the promise of dozens of tiny round seeds. These seeds are the future of the canola plant, and they are meticulously formed within the delicate petals of each blossom. These seeds are the source of canola oil, a journey that begins in this vibrant sea of gold. From these fields, the seeds will be harvested, processed, and transformed into one of the most versatile oils used in kitchens around the world. The canola plant itself is relatively unassuming with its slender stalk and delicate flowers. Yet it is this simplicity that makes the plant so remarkable. Each part of the plant works in harmony to produce the seeds that are so valuable. But its beauty lies in its sheer abundance, stretching as far as the eye can see. The endless fields of yellow are a testament to the plant's resilience and the farmer's dedication. The sight of a canola field in bloom is a testament to the power and bounty of nature. It's a visual symphony, where each flower plays its part in creating a stunning landscape. It's a reminder that from humble beginnings, remarkable transformations can occur. The tiny seeds planted in the soil grow into these magnificent fields, showcasing the incredible potential of nature. The vibrant yellow flowers eventually give way to pods, each containing about 20 to 40 seeds. These pods are the culmination of the plant's life cycle, holding the promise of future harvests. As the pods dry, they turn a light brown, signaling the approaching harvest. This change in color is a sign that the seeds inside are maturing and will soon be ready to be collected. The transformation from flower to seed is a silent symphony orchestrated by nature, a slow and steady process that culminates in the bounty of harvest. Each stage of growth is a step towards the final goal of producing seeds, a slow and steady process that culminates in the bounty of harvest. The fields, once vibrant with yellow flowers, now stand ready to yield their treasure. This sea of gold, once rippling with the wind, will soon be ready to yield its treasure. The harvest is a time of celebration, marking the end of one cycle and the beginning of another. The canola seeds, tiny vessels of energy, await their transformation. From these small seeds, a multitude of products will be created, each one a testament to the incredible journey that began in the fields of gold. The tranquility of the canola field is broken by the arrival of massive machines. These mechanical giants, with their imposing presence, signal the beginning of the harvest season. The once serene landscape is now a stage for a grand performance, where man and machine work in harmony to reap the rewards of months of labor. These are the combine harvesters, towering behemoths of metal and rubber. Their design is a marvel of modern engineering, built to handle the rigors of large-scale agriculture. Each component, from the massive wheels to the intricate internal mechanisms, plays a crucial role in the harvesting process. They move with surprising grace, their blades slicing through the stalks with surgical precision. The sharp rotating blades are designed to cut through the tough canola plants effortlessly, ensuring that every stalk is harvested efficiently. It's a dance of metal and nature, where each movement is calculated and purposeful. The hum of their engines is a testament to the power they possess, a symphony of industry against the backdrop of nature's bounty. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the fields, the combine harvesters continue their relentless march. The rhythmic sound of the engines combined with the visual spectacle creates an almost hypnotic experience. As the combine harvester makes its way through the field, it cuts and threshes the canola plants in one fluid motion. The efficiency of this process is astounding as the machine seamlessly transitions from cutting to threshing, ensuring that no part of the plant goes to waste. The cut stalks are fed into the machine, where a rotating drum separates the seeds from the pods and chaff. This separation process is crucial, as it ensures that only the valuable seeds are collected, while the rest of the plant material is discarded. The precision of this operation is a testament to the advanced technology embedded within these machines. The seeds, now free from their casings, are collected in a holding tank within the combine, while the leftover plant material is deposited back onto the field. This not only maximizes the yield, but also helps in maintaining the soil's fertility by returning organic matter to the earth. Trucks line the edges of the fields, waiting their turn to receive the harvested seeds. These trucks are an essential part of the harvesting operation, acting as the next link in the chain that connects the field to the final product. Their presence ensures that the harvested seeds are transported efficiently and without delay. The combine harvester, its tank full, pulls alongside a truck and unloads its golden cargo. This transfer process is a well-coordinated effort, requiring precision and timing to ensure that every seed is accounted for. The sight of the seeds flowing from the combine into the truck is a visual representation of the harvest's success. The air fills with the dust of millions of tiny seeds as they cascade from the combine spout into the waiting truck bed. This moment captures the essence of the harvest, where the fruits of labor are finally collected and prepared for the next stage of their journey. Soon, the truck will be filled to the brim, a testament to the efficiency of this mechanized ballet. The full truck signifies the culmination of the harvesting process, where every step from cutting to threshing to collecting has been executed flawlessly. The journey from field to factory has begun, the first leg of a remarkable transformation. These seeds, once part of the vibrant canola fields, are now on their way to becoming valuable products. The cycle of agriculture continues, driven by the relentless march of technology and the enduring spirit of the farmers. The trucks, laden with tons of canola seeds, rumble away from the fields. They travel along dusty roads, their cargo a testament to the bounty of the harvest. These seeds are destined for processing plants, often located miles away. There, they will undergo a series of transformations, ultimately emerging as the clear golden oil found on supermarket shelves. The journey from field to factory is a crucial link in the canola oil production chain. It's a carefully orchestrated process, ensuring the safe and efficient transport of this valuable commodity. The trucks, specially designed for hauling agricultural products, protect the seeds from the elements and prevent spillage. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the trucks are weighed and inspected. The seeds are then transferred into massive storage silos, giant cylindrical structures that dominate the factory landscape. These silos, often capable of holding thousands of tons of seeds, play a critical role in regulating the flow of production. They ensure a steady supply of raw material, allowing the processing plant to operate continuously throughout the harvest season. Inside these towering structures, the canola seeds await the next stage of their transformation. Before the canola seeds can be transformed into oil, they must undergo a rigorous cleaning process. This initial step is vital to ensure that the seeds are in their best possible condition before they move on to the next stages of production. The cleaning process is not just about removing visible impurities, it's about preparing the seeds for a journey that will ultimately result in high-quality oil. This crucial step removes any foreign material, such as stems, leaves, or stones, that may have been collected during harvest. These unwanted materials can affect the quality of the oil, and can also cause damage to the machinery used in the extraction process. Workers meticulously sort through the harvest material, ensuring that only the best seeds make it through. This ensures the purity of the final product and protects the delicate machinery used in subsequent stages. The cleaner the seeds, the smoother the extraction process will be, leading to a higher yield of oil. The purity of the seeds is paramount, as it directly impacts the quality and taste of the final oil product. The cleaning process begins with a series of sieves and screens. These tools are designed to filter out larger debris and separate the seeds by size. The sieves and screens are calibrated to ensure that only the appropriately sized seeds pass through, while larger, unwanted materials are left behind. The seeds are passed through these, separating them by size and removing larger debris. This step is crucial because it ensures that the seeds are uniform in size, which is important for the consistency of the oil extraction process. Uniformity in seed size helps in achieving a more efficient and effective extraction. Powerful fans blow away lighter impurities, such as dust and chaff, further purifying the seeds. These fans are strategically placed to ensure that even the smallest particles are removed, leaving behind only the cleanest seeds. The removal of dust and chaff is essential to prevent any contamination in the oil. Magnets strategically placed along the conveyor belts attract and remove any metal fragments, ensuring the safety of the oil extraction process. Metal fragments can be particularly dangerous as they can cause significant damage to the machinery and contaminate the oil. The use of magnets is a critical safety measure in the cleaning process. Once the seeds have been thoroughly cleaned, they are dried to a specific moisture content. The drying process is carefully monitored to ensure that the seeds reach the optimal moisture level. This step is crucial because it prepares the seeds for the oil extraction process, ensuring that they are in the best possible condition. This is crucial for optimal oil extraction and prevents spoilage during storage. Proper moisture content is essential to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria, which can spoil the seeds and affect the quality of the oil. Workers regularly inspect the moisture content to ensure that the seeds are stored in the best possible conditions. The entire cleaning process is a carefully calibrated ballet of machinery and engineering. Each piece of equipment is designed to work in harmony with the others, ensuring that the seeds are cleaned efficiently and effectively. Engineers constantly monitor the process to make sure everything is running smoothly. It's a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that goes into producing a high-quality food product. Every step of the cleaning process is carefully planned and executed to ensure that the final product meets the highest standards of quality. The dedication and expertise of the workers and engineers are evident in every aspect of the process. Now, cleansed and prepared, the canola seeds are ready for the next stage of their transformation, the extraction of their valuable oil. This marks the beginning of a new phase in the journey of the canola seeds, as they move from being raw agricultural products to becoming a key ingredient in kitchens around the world.